Hi YouTube, welcome back to my Wood and Glass Art channel. My name's Gary. In this video, I'm going to show you how I use pieces of sea glass to help capture the shape and the curves of a large maple leaf in glass. The reason I picked this project is that I have a large collection of sea glass I've been saving for just the right project. Due to the random shapes, sizes, and color, I've been struggling to imagine what they could be used for. But last fall, I had inspiration when I came across a large sugar maple leaf. I took the leaf home and let it dry out. And when I was happy with how it had curled up, I created a paper mache mold of the leaf. Then using the various pieces of brown glass, I created not only the overall shape of the leaf, but also the curled up form of the leaf using the shapes of the sea glass. Each piece of sea glass was selected for the position it's in due to the curved shape that matched the shape of the leaf in that position. And here's a few tips I learned from working on this project that I'd like to share with you. I found the only way to keep the glass stationary in the mold while I worked on it was to hot glue the individual pieces in place after I had cut and shaped them. When it was time to foil, I had to pry the pieces up, and in doing so, the glue would rip the paper mold along with it. So my advice to you, if you attempt something similar, is to create a mold with at least a half a dozen layers. Leaves have veins which carry nutrients to the various parts of the leaf and can best be seen by looking at the bottom of the leaf. Maple leaf veins are fairly thick, so I've tried to create that look by embedding copper wire in the structure of the leaf, as it allows the solder lines to protrude just a little bit higher than a normal solder line would, as well as it gives the extra structural support. Sea glass is softer than traditional stained glass, so it tends to crack if it gets too hot, which makes soldering this piece a bit more difficult, and the soldering lines are not completely smooth. But as I look at the finished piece, I think it adds to the crunchy, dry feeling of the leaf that I'm trying to capture in glass. The leaf measures 12 inches by 10 inches, finished with copper patina, carnauba wax, and is mounted on driftwood I picked up on the beach where I collected the majority of sea glass. I hope you enjoy watching the build process, and if you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, and don't forget to hit subscribe if you'd like to follow me on future projects. That said, let me show you.